Greetings from New Camelot. Merlin here. It appears not even wizards can turn down the requests of once and future queens without getting the look from the Great Light herself. However, since it's a subject close to my heart, I do it with hearty pleasure. Next month marks the 3rd year anniversary of our world, the day the veil opened and you, fine readers, learned the truth of Camelot, the Round Table, and Excalibur. The tales you thought were real were only lies fashioned by me to protect not only my daughter, but the rest of our family as well, until the time came for us to reunite and take down Morgan Le Fay, as we were meant to. Together. Always together. Or not at all. And yet our journey is far from over. There's still more, much more, to show and to share. So once more we're throwing open the gates to celebrate our Book Day, if you will, and invite you all to join us. I'm sure our Tori will do her best to make it a month to remember. Before I go, however, one question for you all. If you could live forever, what would you choose to live for? Welcome to New Camelot. Not everything remains a myth.